Good morning, good morning. I forgot to change my heading again. Here we are. Here we go. Yesno, Victor, Gavin, Gerardo, Alfred, May, who girl? KJ, Late Night Horror, JR, Bamba, me, myself, and something. Paul Edwards, Daniel Smith, welcome in. Good morning, good morning. Hello over on the YouTube, on the Tiki Taki. Welcome in. It is Friday, the last Friday of 2024. Don't be sad. You can be sad. It's okay. I'm a little sad. Seems to have flown by. Eric, Dan, Yukon, welcome in. Good morning, good morning. What do we got? We got Big Bang, NQ Big Bang, in a $7,000 short. I don't know if you can see that. Let me tighten it up here. There you go. Can you guys see that now? Auto Transport. $7,700. Keep tapping that screen. Good morning, Late Night Horror. How far? How far what? How far is it going to go down? I don't know. I thought it was going to stop at 21,500, so that's where I'm seeing. I'm going to look and see if that's how far it's going to stop or if it's going to continue down. Right around 21,500 is a very strong level for it to bust through if it can get through that. Look out. Alex, Stana, S&D Home Goods, Andres, Styles, Viral Products, welcome in JP, El Pizzle, Jose Barba, Supra, Brandingo, Jose, the Black Pearl, welcome in. Jay Honchi, I don't even know. Jeremiah, welcome in. Good morning. We're in a $7,600 short here on NQ Big Bang. We got NQ Range New, 1 for 1 for 350. We got Range ES New, it's green 2,000 right now. Oracle Silver is in $100 short. And we got Big Bang NQ right now, $7,400 short. I'm just looking right now. This is on a 5-minute chart. Elder Escobar, but every strategy has its own time frame. Everyone's different. Each strategy of all the algorithms. So right now, I'm just looking at it on a 5-minute chart, though. So you can kind of see the ups and the downs. It'll be interesting to see if it can bust through 21,500 and go lower. Michael, Brittany, Rico, Big Mike, Boba. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jellybean, Aaron, hello, good morning. Going up to 10K. We'll see. We'll see if it keeps dropping. It could go to 10K. And this is on one mini contract. Mario, Joshua, welcome in. This is the Swag Show. Good morning. It is Friday, December 27th, the last Friday of the year. Let's spread some holiday cheer. Good morning, Samuel. Fooled by No One. Welcome in, Greg. Jose Angel Guerrero. Welcome in. You are watching NQ Big Bang. It is a premium algorithm brought to you by BoldBot. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. We got a $300 trial special for 2 weeks. If you want to try out the standard algorithms for 2 weeks, it's only $300. Also, you can do the $500 for the first month for the standard. $1,500 for the premium. We've got digital mentorship on sale until the end of the year as well. If you want to learn how to manually trade, no better time than the present to invest in yourself. Never be scared to invest in yourself and learn a new hobby, trick of the trade, profession, whatever you want to call it. Jason, Mark, Magali, Laduna. Welcome in, Anthony, Cool Cat. Good morning, good morning. It is Friday, and I'm a little sad. It's the last Friday of the year. And I don't really have any plans. Don't have any plans for this Friday. I got a couple of Zoom calls I need to do after the stream. But other than that, I don't really have too many plans. So, the Black Pearl, good morning. Anybody have any fun plans this weekend? How were the results this week? Down on my cash accounts, up on my Apex accounts, up on my Take Profit account, and even basically on my Top Step account. So, up about overall, I'd say 2,400. It looks like if I'm adding everything up 2,400 on the week overall, with all the accounts added together. So, hey, good morning, Andrew. Hello. Stick to Money. Welcome in, SC Ranger. SA Leduan Pena. Thank you for the share. Appreciate it. Papaboki. Mejano. Christine. Welcome in. Good morning. You're watching NQ Big Bang. It is a premium algorithm. Up 7,200. It was 7,700 at the high water mark. Cheeto. Allen, I don't know. One of those. Hello. Francisco. Mr. Roboto. Come on, baby. Remember that song from the 80s? Come on, baby. Mr. Roboto. I like that song. It's one of the first ones I used to break dance to when I was a kid. Robert One Gamehead Menga rolling. What up, fam? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff. I will be live on Monday, but probably not going to be live on New Year's Day. Tony, Yum Yum, Demo, welcome in. Keep tapping that screen. If you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, help me help you help others. That's ES on NQ Day. Some say this is the hardest job, the hardest way to make easy money, right? That's what some people say. This is the hardest way to make easy money. Mentally, emotionally, not so much physically, although if you're sitting here for a long period of time, you do get tired and your butt hurts. What we got? We got Santa in a trade now. Santa's over here. Let me pull him up into the screen. Put Big Bang over on YouTube so you can do a 2-for-1 on Friday here. $735 just like that on this Santa long. Boy, oh boy. Well, if you missed the move, son, you missed the move. Sometimes you just got to have no FOMO, which is fear of missing out. But Santa was up $700 on that trade right there. Tescon, Fast, Sajid, Boozed, Cisco, Travis Shea, Bibby, Temsh, Crypto Wood, Rima, Total, Willery, Elijah Bryant, Cisco, Welcoming Gonzalo. No FOMO, just YOLO. No, Black Pearl, we don't YOLO either. Unless it's an eval and you just want to pass it quick. Then you can YOLO, I guess. But when the real accounts start, no more YOLOing, no more FOMOing, just swagging. Stick with your plan, stick with the what am I trying to say? I don't know anymore. I'm drawing a blank as to what I was trying to say there. The process, not the profits. There it is. That's what I was trying to think of. Stick to the process, not the profits, and you'll be profitable. But no FOMO, no YOLO once it's real accounts. Even though, you'd be like, oh man, I should jump in along here. Well, you gotta have a reason, not just because the market's moving up, because it can sure enough change and drop right back down on you. Stick to your process, not the profits. Timmy, B Fit, Jag Roop, Singe, Pepe, Rodriguez, Andrew Gibson, Bully Trades, Raphael, Truth Seeker, Romero, welcome in. I'm going to set up the VPS and get Apex. Hope to get the bot by Monday. Awesome. There you go. $500 for the first month for the standard, or you can do the $300 for 2 weeks. Or you could go straight to premium and get Big Bang. That's in a $6,000 short right now. Santa's in a $700 long here again. Still going up and away. We'll see how far she wants to go. Yeah, see, it didn't even break this 21,605, so I'd be leery of getting in along right now quite yet. And there, Big Bang finally took profit, so... Let's see, is there anything else? If it can break above this 605 and hold, it could be on its way back up here. But it's got to get above this 605 and hold above it. There you go. Tanger Phone, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Stranger in the Sky, Andrew Masters, welcome back. Hello. All right, Santa's out of that. Nice little profit on Santa there. You can see he got in at 21,555.75 and got out at 21,573.75. So almost a 20-point trade there. That's what I'm saying. You got to be careful. It looked like it was going to try and fake out these people that were going to switch and go long, and now it's right back into a red candle moving back down. So might go into consolidation here as well for a while. So be careful if you're trading. Be careful. What's the bot that you're in the 7K trade? That is NQ Big Bang. That is one of the premium algorithms. It just stopped out at $6,600 in profit. The premium algorithms are $1,500 a month, and that one trade basically just paid for 5 months in one day. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, 6,600 is what it closed the trade out. Just paid for 5 months worth of premium in one trade. And it can, that's the cool thing about Big Bang, is it can go on those big runs. Hello, Tanger. Hello. I see you now. Sometimes it doesn't show up on my screen, but it shows up on the phone. So I'm looking at two different chats here. All right, Santa wants to get in another long here. We'll see how that works out. Move this down here so you can see. Like I said, it's got to break above 21,605 and hold above there for this long to continue up. Emilito, Rosario Garcia, Juan Dilon, I am Mag, Francisco, Celisa, Jay Socre, Ellie and Josh, Albert, Alfonso, Crypto Teddy KGB. I love the name. Hello, hello. Canadian Sunshine, Cool Clips, welcome back. Stacks Trading, Baba Ganoush. All right. German Aguilar, Spizzo Pin Kaladang, Joe Nowden. I don't know. All right, quick little scalper from Santa there. What else we got that I can show you? That's the only thing that's in a trade right now that I can show you. So we're just going to watch together. We're going to see if NQ can break above 21,605 and hold above there. Otherwise, that might just be a big pullback. You know what I'm saying? Big pullback. And then we could continue down. You never know. Truth Seeker, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Jessica, hello, hello. Jean Khalil. I don't like butchering people's name. I try and say it the best I can. Keep tapping that screen, though, if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. The more likes, shares, follows I get, the more people TikTok algorithm will send me to watch the silly little stream that we call the Swag Show. Thank you for being here today. My name is Kyle. I am your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading. So, yeah, how did the bots perform this week? Glad you asked. Let me see if I can pull it up and show you. Well, I can tell you, I can't show you because when I show you, I get in trouble. I get booted from TikTok. So, this week, since it was a short week, we had only a couple of days. NQ High 5 made 400. NQ Early made 200. NQ Later made 1,500. So that's what? 6 and 15 is 2,100. And then NQ New lost 1,000. So if you ran them all, you're still up 1,100 for the day or for the week, just on the standard algorithms. So yeah. Now the premium ones, let's look at the premium algorithms and see how they did. So far, if you ran all of them, you're still up 2,135 on the week. If you ran all of the premium algorithms. Tick in Nick Tock Knock. Tick and Tock Nick Knock. I don't know, something like that. Welcome in. Hello. Good morning. Pump and Dump Friday. Let's go. Congratulations, Daniel. One of the students today made over 1,500 all the way down to 65. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts. So he made 1,500, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,300, $665. So those are if you ran them on minis, on one mini contract, Jessica. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Rar rar. Rah rah. Rar rar. I don't know. Hello. Mr. Analyst, hello. Daniel Vitella, welcome in. Where is visual? Visual's right there. Okay. Nothing in a trade on visual right now. Santa's not in a trade. ES range. Well, yeah, because there were 2 days out of this week that we didn't run anything. So the 24th and 25th, we didn't run anything. So it was only a short holiday week, only 3 days worth of trading for the results. That's why it's a little low. And being the end of the year, most of the big traders are on vacation still, and they won't trade again until probably the second or third week of January. So the volume's just been down, and the numbers will be down. Good morning, Ada. Hello. How are you? Christy, welcome in. Ada is a flourishing student of the BoldBot family. Prince Pie, welcome in. Hey, Twin, good morning. Good. Dixie Daniel, I think that's how you say that. Welcome in. Khan Baba, Chuck Nice, welcome in. All right, it looks like it kind of broke above that level we were talking about, but it didn't hold. So now Santa's going to try and short it, but we'll see what happens here. It did break above that 605, but it did not hold above it. So Santa's looking for this short here. We'll see if it can drop back down. Could be what we call an H pattern on a bigger time frame, like a 15-minute time frame. It's just the candlesticks make it look like the letter H. And you can learn about all of that if you take the digital mentorship, which is on sale now until the end of the year. If you want more information about it, just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Chris, grateful. Marianne, welcome in. Jem Tias, Suki, Brian Coley, Mustafa, welcome back. From 5 Ab, Homeless Ghost. Hello, hello. Thank you for being here on this Friday, the last Friday of 2024. Little sad. Seems like this year has just kind of flown by. I hope you guys had a great year. I hope next year is even better for you. That reminds me, I got to go buy my Mega Million tickets tonight, just in case. 1.15 billion on the Mega Million. Does anybody else play the lottery? Or is it just a waste of money? Most of the time, obviously, it's a waste of money. But somebody's got to win, right? Somebody's got to win. Why can't it be me? I tell you what, I'll give $1,000 to all my followers if I win. If I win the Mega Millions tonight, I'll give everybody who follows me $1,000. That's one of the premium algorithms that wasn't on the spreadsheet yet, Jessica. The spreadsheet for today hasn't been updated yet, so the numbers I gave you earlier, I guess I should have said don't include today, so. I'm already winning. I appreciate it, but I want to win the Mega Millions for $1.15 billion tonight. And then I'll help as many people out as I can. I'm only going to set aside like, I don't know, 50, 60 million for my kids. They're each going to get like 20 million each. I'll take 50 million for myself and I'll give the rest away. Yeah, because the Big Bang NQ made 6,600 today, so that's not included in the results that I was reading out. But man, wouldn't it be nice? I mean, somebody's got to win, right? Why can't it just be me one time? Andrew, if you win, will you give me some? I'll give you some. We'll make a deal right now. If I win, I'll give you $1 million. If you give me $1 million, if you win. Okay? How about that? Harry P. Otter, welcome in. Moving forward, Abel, Jonathan, Christina's, welcome in. Jay Honey, keep tapping that screen. If I had a cash account, would I have caught those moves? Maybe trading mini or two, thoughts? Yeah, if you would have been running that strategy, you most definitely would have caught that. And if you had it on one mini contract on Big Bang, um, yeah, you would have caught all of it. And you could put it on micros or minis, but if it was on one mini, I think it risks 500 per trade. So you're risking 500, but like I said, on that one, you never know how long the run's going to be. It was up to 7,700, so you could have stopped it at any point. But without me touching it and it stopping itself, it stopped out at 6,600. So make it make sense. Welcome in. Hi, Biden inflation to the max. Okay. Visual long is in a trade. Let me see if I can find it. It's right here. Well, it must have stopped out. Stopped out of that trade. Okay. That's all right. 1,800 on ES new range. Range ES new. No, not going to show. Okay. That's all right. We'll figure something out here. $1,900 on this range ES new. I think this is probably a good H pattern probably forming here. It looks like, if I was to guess, but I've been known to be wrong. This could just be an uptrend with a pullback to fake people out into going short. But it did not really get above this 605 and hold. It didn't really get above 21,600 and hold. So Santa gonna try another short. How much you make this year trading? Well, that's kind of personal, isn't it? It was not six figures. Let's say that. It was below that. In between 20 and 80,000, I'll just say that. We'll give you a nice range to guess. Jamie, Benzo, K-Pal, Manny, Tyson, welcome in. Yeah, a 10K cash account could easily have enough money in there to take Big Bang on one full mini contract. Well, I'm just saying, it's that's a little personal, isn't it, Jessica? I mean, I know people are curious and they want to know, but I don't want the IRS to know. Right, more than a dollar, less than a billion. That's a great answer there, Jason. I love it. Yeah, there might have been some homeless guys standing on the corner that made more. I'm just saying. More than some, less than others. How about that? But no, I mean, I'm still trading. It's still this year, so I haven't even added up like today's profits. I'm done for the year though. Today, I'm not going to trade Monday. I probably won't trade live at all next week. For the new year, I'll probably take a break for a week. I need it mentally. Um, but yeah, today Today I made about 250 on all my accounts. So I have 6 or 7, I think one. I have 4 Apex, a Top Step, a Take Profit, and a Cash. So however many that is. We're trying. Exactly. People just sometimes they don't want to follow our directions and they want to do their own thing, and that's when they get mad. They mess with the algorithms, or they don't trust them, or they don't run them because it took a loss the day before. And you got to realize this is a long-term process. This is like law of averages. The longer you run it, the more it's going to become close to average or where it's supposed to be based on backtesting and prior results and the history of the algorithm running. Just because it takes a loss or two in a week, yeah, it sucks, but nothing's 100%. There's no such thing as a 100% trading algorithm. But in the long run, ours are profitable if you stick with it and run it day in, day out. But the problem that most people have is they want the money like right now. Like they want it within a month. They want to see profit to pay for the bot. And unfortunately, it takes longer, especially if you're using prop firms. You're going to need at least 2 months of running the algorithms before you could see a profit. Because if you do it from the start where you have to pass an evaluation, well, that could take a month going slow and steady. And unfortunately, that's the only way to do it, or you risk busting the account. If you have a cash account, it's completely different. You know, you could withdraw every day if you wanted to. If your goal was to make 200 or 300 a day and you wanted to withdraw 200 or 300 a day, you can do that on a cash account. But on a prop firm, it takes time to pass the eval. Then once you pass that, then it becomes you got to start all over and you got to go slow and steady. And it takes 2 or 3 months before you can withdraw. So, yeah, exactly. Cash is definitely king. If you can come in with, I'd say minimum $3,000 cash account and go slow and steady on a micro plan. If you made $2,000 in 1 month, that's like more than 50% return on your investment. So this is my plan. If you had $4,000 and you could put it in a cash account, and we could make you $2,000 a month using the algorithms on a slow micro strategy game plan. It's $1,000 a month for the standard. Okay, so you have $1,000 left. You put 500 back into your cash account, so you build your cash account by 500. Then you use that other 500 to go buy prop firms with it, and then let those prop firms slowly build up. And Tradeify is great because you can go straight to funded with them. And you could probably get like 150K cash accounts when they're on sale for the $500. If not, just do one at a time. But that's what I would suggest. I mean, that's just my goal and game plan when I try and help people, is to tell them that. Yeah, exactly, Jessica. That's exactly right. So you just got to have a plan. You got to have somebody explain it and break it down for you, and that's what we're here to do, I'm trying to help everybody become a little bit wiser and wealthier. W's are hard sometimes. Water break. Casp. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Big Bang in another trade here. Let's see where he's at. So Big Bang's trying to go short here again. We'll see how this works out. It's 11:11. Make a wish. I wish I win the power or the Mega Millions tonight. Almost screwed up my wish. I wish I win the Mega Millions tonight for $1.15 billion. That's my wish. Make it so. I can help all of my followers and many, many mo with a little bit of dough. Faux show. I'll be giving away millions and millions if I win. But, you know, it's only a 1 in 253 million chance that I win, so don't get your hopes up. Lord Aries, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. The Flow State, Tara Sneeden. Welcome in. Good morning. Good morning. $21,477, bro. You think that's what it's going to go down to? It could. Is that a, let me see, what is that? A major level of support? Oh, that's the low. Yeah, 21,475, I think. 477, yeah. That's the low from back on the 23rd. It could break it. It could try and get down there to it. Never know. You think it's going to try and go all the way down there to it, though? Flow state? It might. We'll see. Big Bang thinks it's going to go lower, so usually it's a pretty accurate algorithm. Yeah, for sure, Jessica. I will do that. Well, how long have you been trying to explain it to him? Because if it's your spouse, then they should understand you by now. And if they don't, then I don't know. Have them talk to me. I don't know. He's a visual learner. Okay, well, I understand. I am too. It took me about 2 months watching the stream back 2 years ago when it was just Lauren on YouTube doing everything by herself. Yeah, it's a hard way to make an easy living, is what they say. But the more you learn, the more you watch it, the easier it becomes, usually. Yeah, and it can be. It can be overwhelming and hard to believe that you can make, 200 bucks in a minute. Most people don't make 200 bucks in a day. That's my goal. I just want to make 200 a day per account right now. Trying to remove his fears. Yeah. Just have him watch it, I guess. Have him watch the replays. She has 4 years worth of YouTube videos, I think, still on there, so. On the main YouTube page. And it's only gotten better, and the algorithms have gotten better over time. So looks like it might take profit. No, that's why you don't move. That's why the algorithm doesn't move. It does it by itself. If you would have moved it, you would have been stopped out. And there it goes. It did get stopped out for profit there. $50 profit, so it's up 6,650 on the day on Big Bang. Santa in a trade? Nope. Santa's not in a trade. We do have ES new range, $2,100 in a trade right now. Gridlock, ES, Green, Big Bang, ES. That's the only thing really in a trade right now. Let's see if this wants to continue down here. 11:15 reversal candle. Where's Mike at? Where's my friend Mike? Is Big Bang part of the standard? No, it's a premium algorithm. Big Bang is part of the premium algorithm setups, and there's a reason why. Because it can take those huge trades like it did earlier for $6,600 and only risk 500, I think, is what it risked. It might be less. It might be 200. I can't remember what it risks. I'd have to look at it. Dub Crawford, longtime follower, says he's signing up today. Congratulations, sir. If I had some sound effects or something cool, I'd play it. Nobody got me that for Christmas, though. I wanted one of those mixing boards that I could do different sound effects and change my voices and stuff. But I guess I'm going to have to buy myself that present sometime. I need to find one that I like, though. So, but congratulations, Dub is going to be part of the BoldBot family for next year. Still a valid H pattern here. If you're a student, you know what that means. You can learn to manually trade. Lauren's digital mentorship is on sale right now until the end of the year. You only have a few more days left. Take advantage because it's normally $1,500. Right now it's on sale for $1,000. You get access to all of the videos. It's like 6 hours worth of videos teaching you how to manually trade. You get access to the student group for a month, the morning Zoom call, the student play of the day, the proprietary chop zone, and a couple of other goodies like the standard alerts. So yeah, if you want to get access to the digital mentorship while it's on sale right now until the end of the year, email us and let us know. BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Also, we have a new trial period flash sale, $300 for 2 weeks of the standard algorithms if you want to just try it out, or $500 for the first month, and then it's $1,000 a month after that. But heed warning, like I said, cash is king. If you have a cash account, it's better to start with that and then use that money that you make to get prop firms, unless you're going straight to funded with Tradeify. But then you still need to make a profit goal before you can withdraw. So be careful. Do your homework. Do your research. Carlos Carrera, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Swag Nation Army. We're almost 4,000 strong. Might do a giveaway once I reach 4,000. Once I reach 4,000 followers on TikTok, I might do another giveaway. And then we're going to do our monthly giveaway for one lucky winner in January. One free month of the standard algorithm. Just like Trusty Trand and Glacier, they won the Christmas giveaway. They'll be starting with us next year here. welcome in. Let's see, what's silver doing here? Silver's not really moving much today, which is odd, but it is the end of the year, so that could be why. Could be going into some consolidation before lunch here. Consolidation before lunch. Sideways movement in between a 20-point range here, 30-point range. Don't get tripped up. A lot of low volume now. Everybody's probably done for the year, honestly. So if you're not done for the year, be careful, because the volume is significantly dropped off from this morning. Everybody's probably taking an early weekend and the rest of the week and next week off for the new year. At least the big boys are, so just be careful. I know I'm done for the year. Probably not going to trade at all next week either. We'll see what happens. Protect your women. Felix Ivorian Raven, Eye of Dragon, Riaz Sir Dingen, Barzaf. Welcome in. Thank you for being here. What is the monthly service for the BoldBot? You mean how much does it cost? It's $500 for the first month for the standard algorithms, $1,000 a month after that, or you can try it for 2 weeks for $300. We also have the premium algorithms that are $1,500 a month. If you want to learn how to manually trade, we have a digital mentorship that teaches you how to manually trade. It is $1,000 right now. It's on sale until the end of the year. So take advantage while you can. Take advantage. Sorry, Sam, I just now saw your comment over on YouTube. Can you use for pass, prop, firm, and long trade? Yes. Many people use it to pass their prop firm evals. And then after you pass it, they continue to use it. Eric Martin, welcome in. David S. Simran, Joe A.O., Thomas John, Callan, Felix, Ariel, Luna, welcome in. Good morning, good morning. $330 now on the Santa Long. Guaranteed green locked in profit right there with the pink line moving up above the entry point. Guaranteeing us $75 worth of profit. But the farther it moves up, the more profit we will take and make and bake. I don't know, shake and bake. Welcome in, though, for those of you who are new to the channel. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. $550 now on this NQ Santa Long. He is trying to make some last-minute holiday gifts for some people that are still running them. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. The more people that like the stream, share the stream, all that good stuff. Follow me. The more the TikTok algorithm will send me. Make sure you follow me on X and YouTube as well, just in case next year they decide to remove the app from the United States. All my social media is in my link tree on the TikTok profile. So follow me on all that stuff just in case. Lau, thank you for this follow. Welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Oreo BB, welcome to the Swag Nation Army. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Like I said, consolidating here, going sideways in between 21,600 and 21,548. Hey bud, could you go into your trading plan daily, the $100 a day, assuming it's micros? Yeah, so it's like the MicroStrategy game plan right now. We use 4 or 5 different strategies within an algorithm. It's set to micros on all of them except for one of the strategies. You can run one mini contract, and you basically pick like 3 strategies on this day, 3 on this day. It all depends on what the spreadsheet says you're supposed to run that day, basically. Because some of them have days that you don't run certain strategies on. But yeah, it's projected to win around $4,000 a month right now using those 5 or 6 strategies. For me, when I manually trade, I'm trading manually micros. And my goal is if I can hit $100 a day, I'm happy. Anything above that is icing on the cake. And if I see another setup, sometimes I'll take it. Sometimes I won't. And I'll stop and I'll shut it off. And I'll even shut the algorithms off if I make my goal for the day. Because I like to keep my profit instead of risking it and giving it back. So Santa on an $800 long here. I hope that kind of explained it, Eric, but removing TikTok but can't remove drones. Well, the drones are the aliens, so you got to be careful. You know, the drones are the aliens that are living in the ocean, that are trying to stop us from having World War III and nuking ourselves to oblivion. So that's why they're back. That's why the drones are back. That's just my opinion. I might be a whack job. You know, I might just be spewing stuff out of my mouth and not have any factual evidence, but that's my opinion, right? Everybody's entitled to one. $1,200 long on Santa right now. If you've seen the old files of when they captured the alien and they did the interview with him, that's what he explained. They asked him where he was from. He said Earth. They asked him what type of creature he was. He said he's a human. But he's from the future, and he's here because he's observing to figure out what went wrong in the past, which is now. Because he says we basically obliterate ourselves with nuclear war, and humans evolve into, I guess, what we consider aliens. So what do you get with the bot? You get the standard algorithms are NQ range, range, oracle, and scalper. You get access to 3 different algorithms when you sign up for the standard algorithms, and then you get all the algorithms when you sign up for premium. So it's about 27 30 different strategies with the standard, and even more, like 40 or 50 if you get premium. But 1,100, 1,200, 1,300 at the high water mark of this trade. Now it's kind of curling up. See, and that's why I said it might not be an H pattern. That might just be a pullback. And now it's making higher highs and higher lows. So It did hold above this 21,605, and now it's continuing to move up. So we'll see if it's going to buy all of this big move back. You never know. But gotcha. Is 100 doable safe with $3,000 account? Is Replicator reliable for copy trading? I use Replicanto, if that's what you meant to say. That is my trade copier. Yes, by Flowbots. You can see the little symbol and the discount code up through my link tree in my profile. But yeah, you should easily be able to make $100 a day on a $3,000 account. Marcus, thank you. You too, man. I appreciate it. I'm glad somebody sees my point of view on the drones and the aliens. And if you ever read a book called Behold a Pale Horse, it kind of breaks it all down and explains what's really going on. $1,500 long on Santa. If anybody wants to read a good book, read Behold a Pale Horse by William Cooper. No problem. You're welcome, Eric. Thank you. Christy Value, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. TikTok Mayor is in the house. Got to be careful now. The mayor is in the house. What are we seeing? What are we looking like? 21,650? Is it going to break back above that? You've read that book? Yeah. I read the original, like the big book before they reprinted it and took a bunch of it out. It was like this thick. This thick. And then when I bought it recently, a couple of years ago, and it's been like reprinted or whatever, it was only like this thick. So I'm sure they probably edited out a bunch of stuff they didn't want people to know about. But if you've read the original one that was like thick, big book, it's a very interesting read by a man that had top secret naval intelligence clearance and then mysteriously got into a car accident and died. The reprint's still good, but it doesn't have some of the stuff that was in the original that I read way back in like 1997, 98 maybe. Can't remember when I read it the first time, but it's still a good book. Opens your eyes. He tries to expose, like Alex Jones, tries to open people's eyes to what's really going on. I feel strongly volatility going to be on our side this next year with everything going on. Yeah. The good thing, though, about the futures market is you can make money both ways. You can make money if it goes up, goes down, doesn't matter, but you just got to be on the right side of the trade. But hopefully things turn around for the better. Finally going to drain the swamp of get rid of all these corrupt politicians, useless organizations and agencies that just blow billions of dollars a year of our tax dollars for nothing. But the truth is going to be coming out about a lot of stuff here real quick. We'll see. It's going to definitely be an interesting year. 1,300 still on this Santa long. Now, see, he'll take it out of the trade by himself when he's supposed to, but he hasn't said that it's valid to take it out of the trade yet. So it's just continuing up. Apple user, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the follow. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jellybean. It's 11:36. Let's get up to 5,000 likes before lunch. How much is BoldBot? So it's $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms, or we have a flash sale going on right now, $300 for 2 weeks to try out the standard algorithms, and then $1,000 a month, or $1,500 a month for the premium algorithms like Big Bang, which already made $6,600 today, $6,650 to be exact, on one strategy, one algorithm called NQ Big Bang. Music philosophy, I love it. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Who is this calling me? I don't know if I know this person. It says a verified number, but I'm busy streaming. Let me see if I can send them a message. Can you call back later? There we go. Yeah, sorry, Kev. I forgot to change it. Apex is only 50% off right now. I need to switch my page there. A little misleading. I apologize. I forgot to do that. I can only say if you use my code, it will get you the best discount at the time. Are the cheaper bots still profitable? Yes, Quincy. So the standard algorithm MicroStrategy game plan that we have right now set up for people is projected to win around $4,000 a month if you stick to them. Can you explain what you're trading at the moment? This is the NQ, the NASDAQ on the futures market. And the strategy is called NQ Santa. So it's a scalper-based strategy algorithm that looks for the reversal pattern, and then hopefully it gets a big long run up or down like this. So what do you feel safe amount to start with your 100 a day strategy? In a cash account, Eric, 3,000 would be better. Is Tradify better than Apex? In a way, yes, because you can go straight to funded. And they take care of their customers quick, fast, and in a hurry. So I love Tradify. They're my favorite right now. But Apex is still good. They just have a lot of rules that you got to stick to. You got to pass the eval first, then pay the performance fee, and then you become funded. And then you got to stick to their consistency rules and yada, yada, yada. But if I had a choice, if you had the money, I'd wait for Tradify to go on sale. It is on sale for 35% off straight to funded right now. So it's a little expensive, but if you can afford it, I'd say get the 150K Tradify straight to funded accounts. What a good sim trader to start learning with before using a prop firm, and also good prop firm music. So NinjaTrader is what we trade on. The algorithms don't work on anything but NinjaTrader, so you can get a free demo sim setup with NinjaTrader if you download it to practice in. And then Tradify is a good prop firm. Take Profit, Top Step, and Apex. Those are the four that I deal with. And I have affiliate codes with Tradify and Apex, and Replicanto or Flowbots as a trade copier. Once you get more than like 4 or 5 accounts, it's just easier to use a trade copier. So I heard you mention in a previous recording a guy that was scalping the buy and sell. So maybe I was talking about the guy that runs visual short and long, and he kind of has 2 accounts, and one of them's on visual long, one of them's on visual short, and then he just scalps with those. And once it moves into a certain amount of profit, he moves his stop loss up. It could have been that guy, but how much are the bots? So right now we have a flash sale, $300 for 2 weeks, or it's $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms, $1,500 a month for the premium algorithms, and our digital mentorship is also on sale right now until the end of the year for $1,000. So, was he using the Santa? No, he was using Visual, NQ Visual. Now you can use Santa to scalp with, and just try and get 30 or $40 worth of profit at a time every time he takes a trade, but Visual is probably the one that he was using that I'm talking about. Is the majority of your income from BoldBot? Yes. What color is your Lambo? I haven't picked one out yet. I don't have a Lambo yet, man. I got kids and an ex-wife. I'm just holding on for dear life. Next year, though, 2025, hopefully I'll be able to start recovering some of the losses from the divorce and all this other nonsense that happened in my life to put me in the hole, and the trading will be getting me back out of the hole. So see right now with this, with Santa, if you wanted to scalp, you just zoom in, and when it gets to 200, he already moves your stop loss for you, but you could have moved it earlier than that if you wanted to, is what I'm saying. So there is a way to scalp with Santa as well, but yeah. I wish I had a Lambo. Although it might hurt my back getting in and out of it. So I'd have to get like the Lamborghini SUV. Because, I got a bad back. So I don't like being real low. I might get the Lambo SUV though. Thank you, Tubi. I appreciate that. It will. Everything's going to work out just fine. One day at a time. Yeah, I mean, and that's why you got to stop when you're at your goal, right, Eric? You just don't sit there all day. If I make my 200, 300 a day or whatever my goal is, then I just shut it off and I'm done for the day. So, Dub, I would wait to sign up until like this weekend or New Year's. You could sign up anytime this week, but next week I'm just saying it's another holiday week, right? So it's a short week. You're already missing a day of trading. So if you want to wait until the end of next week, that's what I would do. But you do what you want to do. I'm just saying, you got to think of the holiday you're missing at least one day, and it's going to take you probably a day or two to get set up and your settings checked and all that. Is it hard to set up? No, it only takes like maybe an hour to get everything set up and going. And we send you videos and instructions step by step, helping you through the process. We've got Irma that double checks all your settings and everything. And then after that, you have a Zoom call with me, and we kind of go over your game plan based on what size account you have, if you have prop firms, cash accounts, so on and so forth, what you want to accomplish, what your risk tolerance is, and all that stuff. So what special is running right now? We have $300 for 2 weeks. You can try out the standard algorithms right now for 2 weeks for $300, or $500 for the first month. And the digital mentorship is on sale for $1,000, which is normally $1,500. So $500 off the digital mentorship to learn how to manually trade and get access to the student group, the morning Zoom call, the proprietary chop zone, the student play of the day, the manual alerts, and a lot of goodies. So if you're seriously thinking about learning how to manually trade, I can't recommend the digital mentorship enough. Once you take it and you learn how to manually trade, it becomes a lot easier to make money, guys. You don't need to make a bunch each day either. If you had 10 accounts and you made $100 per account, that's $1,000 a day. 5 days a week, that's 5,000 a week, 20,000 a month, right? All for making $100 a day on 10 accounts. I mean, the math is simple. You just can't get greedy, and you got to stop when you're at your goal. That's the hardest part for most people. All right, nice another little short there from Santa, a couple $100. Montenegro, great Montenegro CR. Welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. I'm going to be coming from Forex, so tired, unreliable brokers, manipulation in the spreads, etc. Yeah. I don't know anything about Forex, but once you learn the futures market, it's better tax breaks and everything else. So talk to your accountant about that. But there's better tax breaks on the futures. Gold, yeah, we trade gold. We have strategies for gold. I'm just not showing it right now. But we do have manual alerts for gold as well. And some of our people do trade gold. Gold, oil, silver, gas, YM, ES, RTY, NQ. All the major stuff. So thank you guys for being here. If you are new to the show, my name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. Stop when at goal. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Santa baby. Santa baby. See, Santa can take a lot of trades, so you got to be careful if you run Santa. You got to really watch them close. And once you hit your goal for the day, you got to turn them off. Are we long NQ? Yeah, Santa right now is long NQ, but we shall see how far he wants to go up here. Having a hard time getting back over that 21,600, so it might not be what we're looking for. The market still could be moving down. Just a little pullback. And now this could continue down here if it doesn't get above 21,600. So 15 minutes, or no, 6 minutes until Santa's done. So gold is a bit more expensive for mini micro contract compared to N2. Yes, it is. It's $10 per tick on gold, as opposed to NQ, which is $5 per tick on one mini contract. Now a micro is 1/10 of that, so 50 cents per tick on NQ and $1 on gold per micro. So the bot doesn't work? No, it does work. Just because it took a loss doesn't mean it doesn't work. You can see the trades right here. Earlier, it was in like a $800 long. That big green line right there. Just because it took a loss doesn't mean it doesn't work, buddy. Stick around, hottest topic. You'll find out. I love new people that come in and just troll. They're hilarious. They make my day. If you were here earlier, you would have saw that NQ Big Bang was in a $6,000 trade. Hottest topic, but you know, I guess that doesn't work either. So somebody get him. What is Flowbots? That's Replicanto. So that's the trade copier that I use, and I have an affiliate code with them as well. It's not telling me to, it does it for me. So it automatically enters and exits the trades for me if I want it to. Now, that's not saying that I have to let it do it. I can definitely move the stop loss by clicking on it right here and moving it closer if I want to. But the algorithm itself will move the stop loss and take me out of the trade when it feels like it's an appropriate time to do so. So just because it lost 200 on that last trade, now it's green 900 on this trade. So like I said, it doesn't win every trade, but overall it wins more than it loses. So I hope this trade right here being green $950 shows you. DM Texas, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Quincy Trades. John Wynn, you must not have done something right. Come on back. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. The Apex code is wrong right now. It is. They only have a 50% off sale. I apologize. I forgot to change my background this morning. I did not mean to do that. Yeah, so Flowbots, that is the trade copier that I use. I have a link to it in my link tree on my profile. And John Wynn, you must have done something wrong, but it does work. Yeah, thank you, Tim. I got to make sure I change that at the end of the stream today, so I'll make a note to myself. Change Apex code. All right. Wrote it down. Sam Habib, welcome in. Thank you. Cassie P, hello. Where can I buy Apex? On the Apex website. If you click on my link tree, Anthony, it'll send you straight to it. What broker? We use NinjaTrader. $820. Juan, who was that? John Wynn. Where'd you go? If you tried it a few years back and you didn't succeed, I'm sorry, but it's not the algorithm's fault that it didn't win. It was probably your fault. How much does it cost? So right now we have a flash sale going on right now. It's $300 for the first 2 weeks, and then $1,000 a month after that. Or you could do the $500 for the first month and then $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. The premium algorithms are $1,500 a month. We also have the digital mentorship on sale for $1,000. That's $500 off the normal price of the digital mentorship. Come learn how to manually trade, learn your craft, and make a bunch of money. Oh, hello, Jen. There's BoldBot, the beautiful BoldBot Jen. She's in the house. She goes live most days. Might be back next week, starting at 9:30 before the swag show. You got Coffee Talk with Jen and Lauren. But because it's the holiday week, they took off. Eric, so Tradeify, Top Step, Take Profit, and Apex. Those four are the only ones that I use. So, Anthony, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Naren Dinger Singe, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Danny Macker's Pancakes, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. What do we got in a trade that I can show here? Let me see. Santa's going on lunch break here. So he's done. Big Bang. Let's see. Is Big Bang in a trade? Big Bang is in a trade still. Let me move this up here. Big Bang in a trade. It's trying to see if it can push lower here. This is the one that's already won $6,650 earlier today. Does it work only on NinjaTrader? Yes. Hello, what's up? Good morning. Hey, how are you? ES new about to hit target. It's at 25.75. I don't know where target is. Pretty close. It came within 2 ticks, and now it's pulling back. So real close to almost hitting target there on ES new. Only on NinjaTrader. Yes, it only works on NinjaTrader. And Big Bang stopped out, but that's okay. What else can we show today? Big Bang ES. I don't even know. Am I allowed to show it? Probably not. Probably not allowed to show ES new. And I would have to open a new chart here. Let me see. All right, here we go. Let me try and... All right. Oh, so close. This is ES range. This is part of the standard algorithms here, guys. It's in a $2,400 short. It came within a few ticks, it looks like, of... Let me see how close. Look how close that came to hitting target, full target. Now, here's the thing. If you wanted to grab your stop loss and move it to lock in more profit, you can definitely do that. But would BoldBot work with MFFU on NinjaTrader? Yes. My futures funded? Yeah, it does. Cryogenco, welcome to the Swaggerners. Mount up. Good buy zone on NQ. It should reverse from this 15-minute zone. You're talking about NQ? Yeah, probably. Oh, there's my puzzle of the day right at noon, like always. TikTok live studio. Oh, we've detected inactivity. Really? Because I've been talking the whole freaking time. I love it. I'll solve your little kitty puzzle. There we go. Let's root for ES range new to drop here to 59.91 and take profit. Eduardo Peralta, welcome to the Swaggerners. Mount up. Thank you for being here. It is 12 o'clock noon on Friday, December 27th, last Friday of the year 2024. A little sad tear eye here. Cry, cry. But next year is going to be even better, right? We're going to swag every day. We're going to stick to our goals. We're not going to have FOMO. We're not going to YOLO. We're not going to get emotional. We're just going to stick to the process and not the profits. Stick to your process and not the profits. Trust in the algorithm. Slow and steady wins the race. It's going to be an amazing year. I can feel it. It'd be even better if I won the Mega Millions tonight, right? 1.15 billion dollars with a B. That would be nice to win tonight, right? I could give everybody $1,000 and still have money. Heck, I might even be able to give everybody $2,000. That follows me, but you know, it's a 1 in 253 million chance that I win. So don't get your hopes up. But if I do, I'll hold true to my word to you. ESNQ, or sorry, ESNQ, ES new range. That's the strategy. That's the algorithm you're watching right now. If you want more information, guys, the email's on the screen, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that. Or if you just want to try it for a couple of weeks, see if you like it, flash sale of $300 for the first 2 weeks. Also, the digital mentorship's on sale, $1,000 right now. Learn how to manually trade. Learn your craft. Learn a new skill. $500 off the normal cost. You get access to the student group, the morning Zoom call, the student play of the day, the proprietary chop zone, the manual alerts, all for just $1,000. We're hoping everybody that is in this ES new trade can reach their target here. But if not, you can always move your stop loss. Like I said, you can move it as close to the price as you want and lock up some profit. This is on one mini contract of the ES. Big Bang ES is in a trade. Oracle Gas, Oracle Silver, they're both in trades. But this is the big one right here, $2,500 now. I think 2750 is the goal. If I'm right, can't remember. Sergio Munoz, welcome in. Thank you for being here. I hope everybody had a great Christmas. I hope you have an even better New Year. Be safe. Don't drink and drive. Call an Uber. Call a cab. Call a Lyft. Don't put your life at risk. It's not worth it. Your life is worth it. That's why it's not worth it to risk it. So be safe. Be humble. Spend it with friends, families, loved ones. And enjoy life. Have a good time. Don't stress. Don't worry about the aliens. It's okay. They're here to help us. Jorgito El Joyoro. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Sell with us. Welcome in. Good morning. Keep tapping that screen. We're almost at 5,000 likes. Lunchtime, 12 o'clock candle has opened and not much movement. Like I said, volume has dropped significantly. The big boys are probably away for the rest of the year. Probably even next week. We'll see if what the volume looks like after the new year. What stock are you watching? No stocks, Ronnie. This is the futures market. This is ES. All we trade is the futures market. No stocks, crypto, forex, options, just the futures market. This is the S&P 500 in the futures market. Almost to target here. We need 3 more points. We'll see if we can get it. Oracle Silver must be back at entry point. Oracle Gas is green, $90. I turned my silver off when I got back to even because I made my goal for the day, basically. Oh, so close. So close here on this ES new range here. I want to zoom it in to see, but I don't want to zoom it in too far where you guys can't see what's going on. So $2,630 here. Just a couple more ticky ticks. Down, down, down. Ticky tick down. Get to 5,991, and that would take profit at 27.50, I believe, is the take profit on this. Now, if you wanted to move the stop loss and lock in profit, you can do that. And I highly recommend doing it if you can, especially when you're up this much. You don't want to give back too much. If it was me, I'd move my stop loss to 6,000 even. Maybe 6,001. Nothing else in a trade except Big Bang ES, Oracle Gas, and Oracle Silver. Only these four strategies in a trade right now. So, like I said, lunchtime consolidation, going to move sideways probably for the rest of the day. Everybody else has gone to their house in the Hamptons or wherever the rich people go. I'm not one of them. They don't invite me yet. But if I win the Mega Millions, things might change. You can only hope and dream and pray, right? Oh, moving down here a little bit. Almost there. One more. Oh, so close. There it is. Target hit $2,762.50. Congratulations to all those that stayed in on the ES new. Congratulations to all those on the ES new. NQ new, ES new, NQ early, NQ mid. Oh, is NQ mid going to take a trade here? Maybe. NQ later. I don't like it though. I'm going to shut it off. What was your target? It was, where did it go? It was 5,991. 5,991 on ES, and it took profit. So $2,762.50 winner on that trade. Is later going to take a trade? Maybe. NQ later might take a trade, but NQ's really going to have a hard time, I think, getting below 21,500. So I'm going to turn it off for the day. I made my profit. But you guys do what you want. This is NQ Big Bang that made the $6,000 run earlier. And here is that trade. You can see got in at 21,909.25 and closed out at 21,581.75. So that's 300 and what? 28 point move, basically. 328 point move, is that right? I can't do math sometimes. Yeah, 328 point move it caught earlier. So if you can see that, can you not? Here, let me try and squeeze it in here. All right, there you go. Can you see that now? 21,909.25. It got into short, and it closed out at 21,581.75. So 328 point move, basically, is what it caught. 6,600 and some dollars. Anything else in a trade I can show? Not right now. Big Bang ES, I guess. It's still in this. We'll show Big Bang ES. All right. This is an $850 short on ES from Big Bang, which is another one of the premium algorithms here. Laduna, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Welcome to the Swag Nation Army. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Laduna Pena. Jorgito El Hoyoro, welcome to the Swaginators Mount Up. Smoker Jim, welcome to the Swaginators Mount Up. Ace, welcome to the Swaginators Mount Up. Thank you guys so much for all the follows, the likes, the shares. I appreciate each and every one of you being here. I will be doing another giveaway once I hit 4,000 followers on TikTok, and also another one when in January. We'll be giving away one free month of the standard algorithms to one lucky winner. We had 2 for the Christmas giveaway, and I hope to continue doing them each and every month with you guys. So, got about 10 minutes left in the stream. I've got some Zoom calls I got to get on and help some new members out. So, yeah, about 10 minutes left in today's show, guys. And I'll be back on Monday, bright and early, 10:30 to 12:30 on Monday. So, I probably will not be live on New Year's Day. I think the markets are closed, so probably take... Santa is part of the standard algorithm, sorry. If I didn't answer that earlier, Sam. How long you been in the futures? 2 years. How did I get started trading? When I had my old job that I had for like 12 years, they gave us a Fidelity account and a 401k, and I started putting some money in there, and I was just like trading penny stocks and hoping that like some of these weed companies would take off, and they never did. So I kind of got started trading back then, but then 2 years ago is when I found Lauren's channel on YouTube from a friend. He showed me her channel, and I watched it for about 2 months, and then I joined right around 2 years ago, and I've been with them ever since. And I just started working for Lauren the 1st of October. So October, November, December, basically almost 3 months in the beginning of the year. So yeah, that's how I got started. Oh, yeah. I was working for Xfinity for Comcast for 12 years, and I got tired of being cold and 20 below, 20 foot up on a pole, and 2 foot of snow. I said, no mo, for show, for show. There's got to be an easier way to make the dough. And then COVID hit, and then I told him I quit. And then I went and took a break for about 4 months. Then I sold cars for 14 months. And then I got a job with the IEMA, which is like Illinois Emergency Management Agency, for a 6-month contract. And then I got on at the hospital doing IT work, and then I just quit in October to come work for Lauren full time. So that's my story. The past, 15 years of it anyway. Oh. Yeah, NQ later's going to have a hard time here. So I'm shutting that off. I'm going to double check, make sure everything's shut off here. Hold on. Bear with me. All right. Everything is shut down for the year. We're just going to call it at that. So this is ES Big Bang, though. It's the same algorithm, just a different strategy from the NQ one that made $6,000 earlier today. This is just on ES, or S&P 500, so it's green right around $900. We're going to continue to let it run and monitor it, watch it. But we got about, 5-10 minutes left in today's show. trying to see if NQ can break down below the 21,500 level, or if it's just going to stop right here at 21,506 ish, and that'll be it. Might be a big W. Could be a big W pattern. You never know, right? If it bounces here on NQ and moves back up, that would be the rejection of a W pattern. So we'll see. See what happens. I hope everybody has a safe and fun and happy new year. Spend it with your friends, families, loved ones. Be humble, be kind. $1,000 now on this ES short. But yeah, I don't know. Any other questions before I go? I will be back on Monday. And then I'll probably be off on Tuesday for the New Year. I don't know. Is that the New Year? Is that New Year's Eve? No. New Year's Eve. No, I'll be here. I'll be Monday and Tuesday. I'll be live. Wednesday is when I won't be live. New Year's Day, I'm not going to go live. But I'll be here Monday and Tuesday. Come on back now, you hear? All right, guys. I got to get something to eat before my Zooms, or I'm going to be delirious. So I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out with me today. I love you. Thanks for all the support. Yeah, I need to take next week off to refocus and get my brain right. So, all right. I appreciate everybody. I'll see you on Monday. All right. Take it easy. Have a good rest of the weekend and a safe and a happy new year if I don't